Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to another episode where we help you spend your money wisely. Or at least, make you feel better about spending it. Today, we have a battle of the skies. In the left corner, we have the DEERC D20 Mini Drone, the tiny terror of toy drones. And in the right corner, we have the Holy Stone GPS Drone HS-175D, the flying fortress of functionality. Buckle up, because this is going to be one heck of a ride. First up, let's talk about cameras. The DEERC D20 comes with a 720p HD camera. Yeah, it's like the VHS of drone cameras. Great for kids and those who believe pixelation is an art form. On the other side, we have the Holy Stone HS-175D, flaunting a 4K ultra-clear camera. That's right, folks, 4K. You could probably count the leaves on a tree from a mile away. If you want to see your neighbor's cat in ultra-high definition while it's on your roof, Holy Stone has got you covered. Reviewers praise the DEERC D20 for its beginner-friendly camera that's easy to control via a smartphone app or remote. Meanwhile, the Holy Stone HS-175D receives high marks for its excellent picture and video quality, making it great for fun and recreation. Now on to the price. The DEERC D20 is priced at a wallet-friendly $69. That's right, you can buy a drone for less than what you spend on a fancy dinner date. On the flip side, the Holy Stone HS-175D is a bit more high maintenance at $229. That's like 3 DEERC D20s and some change. But hey, quality comes at a price, right? Or maybe just an empty bank account. Reviewers love the affordability of the DEERC D20, making it a great entry-level drone. On the other hand, the Holy Stone HS-175D is seen as a worthwhile investment for its advanced features and quality. Battery life. A crucial factor for those who don't want their drone adventures to be shorter than a TikTok video. DEERC D20 gives you a modest 20 minutes of flight time with its 2 batteries. Just enough time to impress your friends before it comes crashing down. Meanwhile, the Holy Stone HS-175D offers a whopping 46 minutes with its 2 batteries. That's practically an eternity in drone time. You might need to pack a lunch for your drone's flight. Reviewers find the DEERC D20's battery life sufficient for short flights, while the Holy Stone Hydrogen Sulfide D's extended battery life is highly appreciated for longer, more stable flights. Safety first, kids. The DEERC D20 has low power alarms, emergency stop, and propeller guards. It's like the helicopter parent of drones, always worrying about something. Holy Stone HS-175D, however, has GPS auto return. This bad boy will come back to you like a boomerang if it loses signal, goes out of range, or has low power. It's basically a drone with separation anxiety. Plus, it has altitude hold, optical flow, and a bunch of other features that sound like they belong in a sci-fi movie. Reviewers appreciate the safety features of the DEERC D20, especially for indoor use. The Holy Stone HS-175D is praised for its GPS functionality and stable flight, even in windy conditions. Let's talk tricks. The DEERC D20 can do 3D flips and follow waypoints. It's like the drone version of a circus performer. You can even control it with your voice and take selfies with a gesture. Imagine telling your drone, "Take off," and it actually listens. The Holy Stone HS-175D, on the other hand, can trace and follow you, fly around a point, and take photos when you pose. It's basically your personal drone paparazzi, and it comes with a carrying case, because who wouldn't want to travel in style? Reviewers love the fun tricks and ease of control of the DEERC D20. while the Holystone HS175D is praised for its advanced features and reliable performance. Overall, reviewers find the DEERC D20 Mini Drone to be an excellent and affordable entry-level drone, perfect for beginners and kids. It's fun, easy to control, and durable. On the other hand, the Holystone GPS Drone HS175D is highly recommended for its advanced features, excellent camera quality, and extended battery life. It's a bit more expensive, but reviewers believe it's worth the investment for a more professional experience. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a fun, kid-friendly drone that won't break the bank, the DEERC D20 is your guy. But if you're after a high-tech flying machine that can practically replace your camera crew, the Holystone HS175D is the way to go. Which one will you choose? The Tiny Terror or the Flying Fortress? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all our latest comparisons. Until next time, fly smart, buy smart. Product links are in the description.